Hi there, friends. Today we're going to practice reviewing our blends, and we're going to begin by reading through our blend chart, just like we did in our classroom. Today we're going to be focusing on our L blends. Okay? I'm going to point to each letter and then say the picture, and I'd like you to follow along and say them with me. B, L, block. C, L, clock. F, L, flower. G, L, glove. P, L, plane. S, L, slide. If we take a close look at these blends, what kind of letters typically make up a blend? Look closely. Do you see any vowels in a blend? Blends or clusters are always made up of consonants. When you use a blend in a word, when you're writing or reading, you can hear each individual sound. But because you say the blend very quickly, they blend all together and sound almost like one. For your activity today, you're going to find 1.1 ELA consonant blends. Click Add Response. Find your name and icon. Here is your directions. There are 2 pages to this activity. On the first page, you're going to sort the pictures by their beginning blend. Now remember, if I see this plus sign, and I start to move it, it's going to draw. So I want to undo that drawing and make sure I use my hand tool, just like it shows me right here on the page. I'm going to say this picture, globe, globe. If I say it slowly, I can hear each individual sound in that blend. G-l, globe. It's going to go under the GL. Here we have a picture of a flood. Full, full. I hear the FL blend. Flag. Full, full is the blend. I hear the FL. Blow, blow. Bull, bull, bull. Blow. Okay, you're going to continue saying and sorting each one of these pictures. When you're finished, you're going to come over to this box and use either the pencil or the text box to type in the words, and then the marker to circle each blend within the word, like this. I'm going to use the text box, and I'm going to grab it and move it. And I'm going to do these 2 words. And I'm feeling very purple today. So clicking my, text tool here. Full ud. I can use the ending that's already on the card. And full ag. Okay. Now, if there's another picture, or another picture with that FL blend, I can go ahead and add it to there. If my boxes get a little bit too big, remember, you can always grab that corner and resize it to fit on your answer page. Now, next page, on page 2, you're going to listen to the sentence. I'll say it for you, or your mom and dad can read it out loud to you. And then you're going to use the move tool to arrange it in the correct order, like this. I sit on the blue blanket. Friends, I forgot something. Let me move back over here. I forgot one of my directions. Take a look. I typed in the words, but I forgot to circle the blend. Goodness me, I'm not thinking today. Let me get back to this marker, this highlighter, and I'm going to highlight in pink today. And I'm going to just bloop right there on the FL and bloop right there on the FL blend. Now I can go on to page 2. Whew. All right, back to where we were. You're going to use that move hand I need to get that move hand first and fix this sentence. I sit on the blue blanket. So I'm going to move, for right now, I'm just going to move that one out of the way. I sit on the, that word, blue blanket. I sit on the blue blanket. Period. Okay, now using the text tool or your pencil, you can go ahead and write it here in the box. And then below, you can read the sentence and draw a picture that matches it. I'm not going to model that for you because the tools are right there as an example. What I do want to say is if you are doing this activity and you're watching this video on YouTube and you're not utilizing Seesaw, that's fine. Go ahead and break out your notebook, a piece of paper, and practice writing this sentence. You can still do some of these activities. Write the sentence out, read it to yourself, draw a picture to match. It's a good opportunity to practice your handwriting and making sure that you're using a capital at the beginning of a sentence, finger spaces between your words, a period or a question mark or exclamation point to end your sentence, and it's going to give you some good practice on those snap words. Once you're all finished, make sure you hit the green check to submit.